Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking to simple kitchen items a stone serving board and a cork trivet and turning them into beautiful, personalized pieces using laser engraving. If you love DIY projects or want to upgrade your home decor, you're going to enjoy this one. Let's start with the basics. I'm using a natural stone serving board and a cork trivet. Both of these materials engrave beautifully, but they behave very differently. Stone gives you a sharp, high-contrast design. Cork burns deeper and creates a rustic, natural look. Before laser engraving, make sure both surfaces are clean and dust-free. A quick wipe with rubbing alcohol works great. For both pieces, I created the designs in my graphics software. Simple shapes, clean lines, or even text all work well. Remember, the smoother and higher contrast the design, the better it will engrave. Once the design is ready, I import it into my laser software and position everything exactly where I want it. Engraving stone and cork requires different settings. For stone, I'm using higher power and lower speed to really bring out the texture. For cork, I use lower power and faster speed because cork burns easily. If you're unsure, always run a test on scrap material. Now for the fun part, engraving. With cork, the engraving is deeper, darker, and has a beautiful handmade look. After the engraving is done, wipe off any dust. For the cork trivet, it's usually good to go as is. And here it is, a personalized cork trivet, simple, practical item turned into awesome, one-of-a-kind piece. These make great gifts, kitchen decor, or even things you can sell. Now it's time to move on to the stone serving board. This one reacts completely differently to the laser, so the result will be sharper and much more detailed. Let's set it up and start the engraving. And here we go. I love watching stone engrave. The surface lightly frosts as the design appears, and the contrast just keeps getting brighter. This material gives a really premium finish, perfect for serving boards or gifts. You can already see the details forming. Stone doesn't burn like cork. Instead, it micro-etches the surface, which is why the lines look so clean even with fine patterns or text. With the engraving done, I give the board a quick wipe to remove any dust. Then I apply a little food-safe mineral oil. This step is optional, but it really makes the engraving pop and gives the stone a smooth, finished look. Now, I'm moving on to something smaller, stone trivets for cups. These are basically miniature versions of the larger board, but they're perfect for mugs, candles, or small bowls. And here we go. Even on a small surface, the stone still gives that beautiful bright contrast. The engraving comes out sharp, clean, and super satisfying to watch. After the engraving is done, I wipe off the dust and give each trivet a light coat of mineral oil to make the design pop. And here it is, the custom engraved stone serving board. The texture, the contrast, the clean lines, it turned out even better than I expected. Paired with the cork trivet from earlier, this makes an awesome set. Now I'm starting one more stone serving board, but this time with a completely different design. Instead of clean lines or simple shapes, I'm going all in with a full floral pattern. Floral designs look incredible on stone because all those small details really pop when they're engraved. I've loaded the artwork into the software, adjusted the placement, and now I'm tweaking the laser settings to capture all those fine lines. And here we go, the laser starts revealing the flowers one by one. This kind of pattern takes longer, but the result is worth it. The stone gets that soft white frosting effect, and the design slowly comes to life across the entire board. Once the engraving is finished, I give it a good wipe and add a little food-safe mineral oil to deepen the contrast. The floral pattern looks amazing, delicate, sharp, and super elegant. This one is definitely more decorative, and honestly, it might be my favorite so far. If you enjoyed this project, hit the like button, subscribe for more DIY and laser tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.